the channel. I'm going to be doing a little basic maintenance on this today. We're going to be doing an oil change. While I'm doing the oil change, we're going to do, I'm going to drain the transmission pan and fill it back up. I like to do that every couple oil changes, get some fresh transmission fluid in the car. And also going to be rotating the tires and possibly throttle body gasket. So let me get this up in the air. Moved, got everything set up. Let's get underneath it and do an oil change. Apparently my GoPro stopped recording for a little while. I don't know why. Anyways, let me get up to speed. So we drained the oil, got a new oil filter on there, cleaned up the mess. Right now I have the transmission draining. You can see it draining right there, very clean fluid coming out. And while that's draining, we're gonna go clean this right here. This is the IPD heavy duty skid plate. For those of you who have lower cars, this is the way to go. So we're gonna clean this because it is pretty gnarly. I'm sure many of you are rocking this skid plate. I've had it on my wagon quite a few years, 6, 7 years now. All right, let's get back under here. She is pretty much done draining. All right, you guys missed all this, but I drained the transmission. I did the oil filter. I think I got the actual oil draining on video. I don't know what happened. My GoPro just stopped recording, so let's get the drain plug back in the transmission, and we're going to refill this transmission and get it back up to the proper levels. I already got the dipstick pulled out. It goes right here. This is the oil. The transmission has a, it's this one right here, guys. That's the transmission. You guys got a couple quarts. I just cleaned out my funnel. And we're gonna go ahead and rotate these tires while that cord drains. So let that drain. We're good. All right. Rotate these tires. It needs it. Alright, go for a quick spin, see how she feels. I didn't do the throttle body gasket. I couldn't find mine. I know I got a spare one somewhere. I'll have to go up in the attic, or it might be in the back garage. Alright guys, see how she feels. Some fresh oil and fresh transmission, some fresh transmission fluid. Alright. So we're going to be doing a 300,000 mile review on this car here shortly. I'm coming up on it actually right now. I got just shy of 200,000. Just shy of 2,000 miles till I hit 300. So what we did today was oil change, transmission fluid, pan drain and fill. You know, not a full fluid flush, but just a pan drain and fill. And then we also did a tire rotation. Everything feels good. Transmission feels good. Engine feels good. Downshift's nice. No weird vibrations. Whoa, a lot of trees went down. A lot of branches down from the storm this morning. Brakes feel really nice. Happy with that. Doing the loop, guys. Have probably about a 5 or 6 mile loop, maybe a little further. Test sleep. I take cars on after I do some work to them. Get the transmission up, warm up the temp. Engine definitely is already up the temp. That's it. Got a little maintenance done on the vehicle, oil change, transmission, pan drain and fill, and we also rotated the tires. Car needed a little maintenance. I like to stay on top of those things, but that's the video for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.